Hello and welcome to my से लाल हो जाए बंदर की तरफ. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So if you don't know me, hi, my name is Koel and today I am back with a bang because trust me, this one video is my most requested video of all the time कि simple makeup कैसे करें for everyday look for college, for schools or for office. So if you're someone like that, this video is definitely for you. Moving on to the video, don't forget to tap that subscribe button and push on the notification bell button because every time I'm gonna post, you get a ding dong. Let's go. Okay, so moving on with my steps, the most basic step is to put on a moisturizer. चाहे आपकी जैसी भी स्किन हो, ड्राई हो, ऑयली हो, कॉम्बिनेशन हो, बिकॉज अगर आपकी ऑयली है, डोंट गेट दैट थॉट कि आपको स्किप करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज दैट्स द वर्स्ट टिप एनी वन कैन गिव यू. सो that is very moving on to your base. The most asked question is कि foundation लगाए या concealer लगाए या सिर्फ powder. I'll suggest go with tinted sunscreens and if आपको आपका shade match नहीं मिल रहा, go with concealers that has light to medium coverage. ज़्यादा heavy base हमको नहीं करना बिकॉज हमको नहीं चाहिए कि हमारा बेस केकी लगे. गर्मी आ रहा है एंड वी डोंट वांट आवर बेस्ट बेस टू गेट मेसी बिकॉज why would you put so much कि at some point you want to wipe everything off. लाइट रखेंगे, मिनिमल रखेंगे. यूज दिस डॉट एंड की का टिंटेड सनस्क्रीन. आई नो बहुत सारे शेड्स नहीं है, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड यू कैन ऑल्सो ऑप्ट इन फॉर अ कंसीलर, बट अ श्योर कवरेज इज वॉट यू आर आस्किंग फॉर. एंड यू नो दिस स्टेप इज नॉट की नॉन निगोशियबल जैसा है. If you don't want to use any of this concealer or tinted sunscreen, you can definitely skip this and we will move to the next part. For now, blush, I will definitely recommend tints over any cream or liquid products because ये ज़्यादा देर तक टिकता है फेस पे and it can last you for the whole day. Like it's that magical and I specifically use these two because these two are definitely my favorite. That's how my base is looking right now, and if you want you can use loose powder to set everything because गर्मी में we will definitely use that, but अभी ठंडी है so I don't think I'll require that because I have the driest skin. Next step, I'm definitely leaning towards this step. बहुत लोग skip करते हैं या they think that isn't important, but I think this is very important to use a brow gel or brow powder, anything to fill your brows or to make them look more clean and neat. Trust me, brows do make a difference, so you can clearly see that. And the tip is to not overfill because एकदम काला काला या ग्रे ग्रे नहीं करना, but slightly जो natural लगे your brows but better. Okay, now moving on to eyes, I'll recommend कि आप soft and subtle जाओ because गर्मी में it can get messy, you can wipe it off accidentally or anything. So creating a light shadow or putting any neutral eyeshadow can definitely work. मैं eyeshadow एकदम भी use नहीं करती, so I simply do what, I just take the lip and cheek tint and put it on my eyes to give it a little bit of color, and that's all. And moving on to the main part of eyes, basic thing that I do is basic but बहुत ही useful है that I curl my eyelashes and then put on some good mascara because curling gives a good effect. So yeah, because trust me, this one step is a game changer. Our base makeup and eyes are done, and moving on to lips. Lips में you can wear whatever you want, whatever you like, whatever you are comfortable with. You know what basically I do, I just take the lip and cheek tint जो मैंने eyes पे and cheeks पे लगाया था and apply it on the lips and let it dry for a little bit. Top that off, I use any kind of gloss that can be either clear or thoda tinted, colored or anything, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, with that this video comes to an end and I hope you like this because if you are a college going girly, yeah, if you want minimal yet subtle makeup for everyday kind of basis, I think this is what you should opt in for because trust me, this won't disappoint you. मैं यही सेम मेकअप हर दिन कॉलेज में करके जाती हूँ बिकॉज आई फील लाइक दिस इज वन ऑफ द सेफ makeup options you can go for because trust me, the base looks good, the lips looks good and everything's look natural, nothing cakey, kuch fill nahi karega, and you will be good with the makeup for the whole day. बिकॉज ट्रस्ट मी आई डोंट वांट माय गर्लीज कि उनका बेस मेकअप केकी लगे एकदम और ऐसे लाल हो जाए बंदर की तरह, बिकॉज ट्रस्ट मी आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल लाइक दैट इन कॉलेज एंड that doesn't really looks good. Blush blindness keh lo, but that isn't the proper makeup. But trust me, this is, because this one slays every time. So don't forget to like, comment, and share this with your friend, and hit that subscribe button and push the notification bell button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.